Hey, Dave with FarmHQ. I'm going to do a little unboxing of a device kit. Get the wire for the battery, the green terminal, and the wire harness. 4 outputs. You see the pins relate to the output. Green to green. Extra zip ties. And this is the real installation kit. In it, you're going to find the data cables. One is for the magnetic sensor. One is for the pressure sensor. Both plug into either sensor port 1 or sensor port 2. The magnets that go on the side of the reel a 3-way valve, T, I should say elbow, and the magnetic Hall sensor bracket. This is going to stick to the side of the reel. You're going to bend this backwards to a 90-degree angle to hold the Hall sensor. Just going to go in something like that. And like I said, we're going to bend this back to a 90-degree angle or close to it. Stick this to the side of the reel and plug in the magnetic sensor to it. The pressure sensor is going to go into the pressure sensor, which can go from 0 to 250 psi. It too has one way to go in. You see the notch cut out there and a notch cut out there. Those two go together. There's only one way to put it in. And then this connects to, like I said, either sensor 1 or 2. Same thing. Notched out on top, notched to match the bottom, thread together, and we're ready to install.